It's the start of July, which means it's time for a sticker chart update. And you may be thinking, Will, did you run out of Love Heart stickers again? I did not. These are rewrite stickers. We're doing that now. Uh, so, Q2 and half year stats. We have in Q2, we made 16,000 made. I wrote 16,200 short story words. I wrote 24,000 book words, which leads to a total of 40,200. Yes, I have done the maths right, don't you worry. My average words per day, which is a thing that I like to do as well, because some days, like as you can see, there are days that are like less and days that are, much more. Um, so I like to do my averages because it sort of gives me a guideline for how much I can say that I write in a day when people are there like, how much do you write in a day? And I'm like, I have no idea because it really varies. Now I can say in April, I wrote on average 1,655 words per day. In May, 640, but to be fair, there was Comic-Con. And in June, 953 because I was sick and I've got a lot of appointments going on in June. And I'll be honest, that seems to be continuing into July. But that is a side point. What that leads to is a total of 1,072 words per day as averaged over 37 and a half work days because that was how many days I worked. I've actually calculated that. And then in the first half of the year, I wrote almost 40,000 words of short stories, almost 60,000 words of book, and almost 100,000 words total, 97,000 words. I'm going to be really blunt about that one because last year I wrote almost 80,000 words. I think it was 78,000. So this is almost 20,000 more than that. And I'm really mind boggled by this fact because I really didn't think I was writing that much more this year than I was last year. But I suppose last year I was formatting in the first half of the year, which I haven't been doing yet because I'd have nothing to format. Either way, as much as I'm not in competition with my last year's self, and this is just a data gathering exercise. And if you want to know more about it, I do have videos and links and stuff to context. But I'm not in competition with myself. It's not about doing better than I did last year or last month or whatever. It's about doing the best I can every single month and being proud of everything that I achieve every single month. That's why it's a sticker chart, is because the sticker is the reward. I did a good job. 200 words, sticker. And yeah, I'm just really pleased with how this has turned out. Let me know your big win for the first half of the year, or the last quarter, or today, or whenever. Because I would love it if you would come and celebrate with me.